Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a restaurant-style milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of premium, full-fat ice cream, which is crucial for that rich, creamy texture. Next, have 1/4 cup of whole milk ready. This helps with blending and consistency. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract, approximately 1/2 teaspoon, to elevate the flavor profile. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious treat. Now, let's talk about blending for that perfect restaurant consistency. Start by adding your ice cream, milk, and any flavorings to your blender. Begin blending on a low speed to gently incorporate everything. As the mixture starts to combine, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Blend just until it's smooth and thick, usually about 30 to 45 seconds. Be careful not to overblend, as this can melt the ice cream and make your milkshake too thin. Once you've mastered the basic technique, it's time to get creative with flavors. For a fruity twist, try adding 1/2 cup of fresh berries or a ripe banana. If you're a chocolate lover, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup or 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder works wonders. You can also blend in about 1/4 cup of crushed cookies or candy pieces for an exciting texture and flavor. The possibilities are endless for customizing your perfect shake. Finally, let's make your milkshake look as good as it tastes. For the best experience, pour your freshly blended milkshake into a chilled glass right away. A tall, clear glass works perfectly. For that classic restaurant touch, add a generous swirl of whipped cream on top, and don't forget a bright red cherry. Serve it immediately with a wide straw, allowing you to fully enjoy the thick, creamy texture. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.